Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to activate your front and rear windshield wipers. This is gonna apply to a lot of vehicles, make and models, but I'm gonna show on 2018 Jaguar F-Pace. So first I'm gonna start with the front windshield wipers. You need to locate your right hand side lever, and I'm gonna show first how to spray windshield fluid. So to spray windshield fluid and activate your front windshield wipers, you simply need to pull this lever towards yourself. So now, as you can see, windshield fluid is spraying on the front windshield and your wipers are activated. Now, to activate front wipers only once, you just need to push it down once. There you have it. If you wanna select auto, you just push it up once, and now they're gonna be activated intermittently. Now if you wanna if you want your windshield wipers to work all the time, push it up one more time, and that's low settings, so they don't go too fast. If you wanna go them on the max speed, up one more time and they're gonna go fast. To turn it off, go down, not all the way down, because you're gonna activate once, so just like that. And now for the rear wiper, you wanna grab the edge end of the lever and you wanna twist it like opposite from yourself, and this is how you activate your rear window wiper. Now if you wanna, and that's on intermittent setting, if you wanna twist it one more time, it's gonna be on all the time. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off, so off is all the way down. And if you wanna spray windshield fluid to the back window, you just need to push on this button on the side of the lever. So I'm gonna push it in. Okay, I'm gonna show you. So I'm pushing this button and we have washer fluid spraying on the back window. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.